Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Jumping in to DIY number one. I purchased this, of course, at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and remove all of this front part out of here. I did a napkin exchange last month, and one of these napkins, they send it to me in the exchange. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it to use. I'm not gonna use the entire napkin. So what I did is I wet this brush with water, of course, and I am cutting this little piece right here. That's the one that I will be using. And the reason why I'm doing this technique is because I don't want a straight line. I'm gonna be giving it one coat with this pink parfait from Apple Barrel, and it is acrylic paint, and I will be giving it again only one coat. I'm not gonna let this dry, and now I'm gonna come back with the tissue and I'm gonna go ahead and place it right here in the middle. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna start patting everything down, make sure that it has very little wrinkles, only because I put it on top while it was wet. And then I'm gonna go ahead and come back with a little bit of Sun-Kissed Peach acrylic paint, also from Apple Barrel. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and distress the entire egg. Now I have these pearls that I'm going to start hot gluing in the entire egg. I'm just gonna go along the border. Look at how beautiful this is looking so far. I am loving this. I also have this little ribbon. I got this at a grab bag from Michael's several years ago. I'm gonna go ahead and create a little, well, I shouldn't say little because the ribbon is pretty thick. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create a bow. So that part is done, and now with this other ribbon that I purchased at Amazon, I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here in the middle. So now let's go ahead and take this bowl with plenty of hot glue. We're gonna glue it right up here. I also have these little metal flower, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it with a lot of hot glue, because in this channel, that's what we do. We use a lot of hot glue. And I also have these little metal leaves. I'm gonna do the same process. also have this little foam rolls that I'm also going to be gluing right up here. Look at how beautiful this is turning out. I am so in love with this one. Guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about this beautiful DIY. I am in love. Today is another open collaboration, a vintage excellent Easter, and it is being hosted by Buckeye Girl Decor and Lifestyle. I'm gonna be leaving the playlist down below. Make sure to visit them, and don't forget to give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. When you subscribe to our channel, we grow together. And now let's go ahead and continue with our next DIY. I've had this vase sitting around for a while, and it is from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 strips of painter's tape, and you'll see why. Okay, so now this is done. Now I'm coming in with this blush color, and it is chalk paint, and I'm gonna go ahead and start giving it 2 coats with this dabbing brush, only right here on this part in the middle. Again, I'm gonna only give it 2 coats. And before it dries, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and remove that tape. I removed the tape, allow time to dry up, and with these beautiful pearls, I'm gonna start gluing them on this glass. Watch how beautiful this is gonna turn out. I also have this little pillar from Dollar Tree, and it's used for thick candles, candle holders. I'm gonna go ahead and put plenty of hot glue, and then that vase that we just decorated is gonna go right on top. And look at how gorgeous this is coming out. I love to craft this way. I like more high-end. I do a little bit of everything, but this is my thing right here. And I'm gonna put more pearls around it, and this is going to be so beautiful. I am so in love with these candle holders. Just stay tuned and see the final reveal. You are going to love it. Let me know in the comment section what you think, okay? I really want to hear what you have to say. Didn't this turn out gorgeous? Look at how beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and do a second one, but if you noticed on this one, I'm not gonna go with the tape all the way up. I'm just gonna come halfway, just like you see, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing that I did to the first candle holder, but a little different. The painted section is gonna be smaller. And my dear friends, this is exactly the same process as the second candle holder. Just looks a little bit different because the side that we painted is shorter. It didn't go all the way to the top, but it's gonna look absolutely beautiful. Just keep watching and wait for the final reveal. let's go ahead and join these two pieces together. I'm gonna add some more of these pearls in the bottom like the other vase, and you are gonna have to let me know what you think about these beautiful candle holders. I'm gonna be putting some tea lights in the inside, and you must let me know in the comment section what you think about these beautiful DIYs. I hope you do consider subscribing if you are enjoying any of these projects. This candle holder that I went and I wrapped it with this jute twine. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this beautiful bird with a lot of hot glue on top of the candle holder. And this is one of my favorite verse, Hebrews 11:1-6. Faith is the substance of things hoped for. It is the evidence of things not seen. And as I was saying, I'm gonna go ahead and use plenty of hot glue and glue both of these pieces together. If you are coming from one of the other channels, I am so happy that you decided to stop by. Please consider subscribing if you have not subscribed to my channel. Make sure to give me that big thumbs up. When you give me that big thumbs up, it does help my channel. And don't forget to comment and let me know which of these DIYs was your favorite.